Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make, how to create your own protection talisman, or protection, like how to take a stone and make it into a protection stone. Okay, so here we are. I have this I got, it broke a bit, but this is a black tourmaline, as you can see clearly. I bought this just on the street. Actually, I was looking for a tourmaline, and I didn't want to go to any shop, so I decided just to get on the street off someone, because support your local artists, right? And another one is this one I have right here. So this, a really amazing person gave me this, and so I turned it into, since it's like heavy and stuff, it has like that grounding force. It feels very like heavy. So for a best, honestly, to make like a talisman, to have a necklace, or even a bracelet, or even just an anklet, or even a ring, whichever you choose, whatever you want to be as your protection, just make sure that you have good, like you put the intention into it. So like for example, this is a protection stone, so you don't really have to like put any intention into it, because it's already just a protection stone. But it's good to just like allow it to know, like, especially when it's new, to cleanse it and to let it know like, hi, I would like you to protect me. So I'll start with this first. So when you get a new stone, what you want to do is, I only have Palo Santo right now, so you want to burn, have some like either sage, Palo Santo, copal. You want to make sure it's some cleansing natural herb, no incense, especially champa. Like, that's actually really bad for the environment and has a lot of chemicals inside of it. Like, you want to stick with some sage, honestly, and or copal, or Palo Santo. So you want to cleanse this. Remove all negative energies, like, it's brand new stone. You want to remove all the energies from it. And as you're doing this, you want to just imagine, visualize, and feel the energy from the stone just lifting off the smoke, just carrying it away, clearing it. Okay. I cleanse you too. Okay. So once that's done, you put it in your less dominant hand. My dominant is right, so I'll put it in my left hand, like this, or like this, doesn't matter. And you take your dominant hand, put it on top. Deep inhale, deep exhale. One more. And as you feel the energy, the stone, I want you to visualize energy coming from your third eye and from your heart, going into your left or right hand, and the energy floating over here inside your arm into your hand, coming out in the middle of your palm. And as you breathe in, exhale, and feel the energy. Feel your heart and your mind, your third eye energy, sending love and saying thank you and how grateful you are for this stone coming into your life. I'm not going to say any prayer or any words, personally, just because, everyone has their own way of communicating with stones. Everyone has their own way of, some people would rather say a prayer, Some people rather just not even say a word. Some people rather say certain words or certain, so it's up to you what you want to say. Push the energy. And you want to focus on the energy of protection. So what I like to do is visualize your 7-year-old self, your younger self. And I want you to just wrap your arms around her or him. Just wrap your arms around and just feel the love, feel the protection. I am safe, I am secure, and I am grounded. Once you've done that, the best thing to do is, I like to do, is kiss it. And kiss it with a third eye as well and say thank you. And let it know that that's the protection you want. That's the protection you need. Thank you. Okay, so that is with stones. That's what you do. Also another, actually no, I'll say the third one. So this one I have here, I got this from someone, and he gave me two actually, but I only wear one just because I don't want to lose the other one. So here you are, this is what it is. It's for a motorcycle, because he drives motorcycles, and it's really hot. Anyways, so same thing, same concept. What you want to do, burn it. I'll actually burn it because I kind of need to cleanse it actually. Yeah, so you want to do is burn it. Ooh. Okay. And cleanse it. I release all negative energies. I clear this gear. You're cleansed. Okay. And with this one, when it comes to a talisman that is not a crystal, or even if it is a crystal, what's another fun thing to do, if you have a selenite, this is selenite. Selenite cleanses all crystals, cleanses everything. It's the angel stone, literally just clears and aligns everything. Even in your body, you can just use it as like a stick. I use it like as a stick and just like clear my third eye like this. I like to do like that, kind of like a unicorn. But this feels super nice. It feels really nice, honestly. Like it's like a, and it's a really, I feel like it's a really cold stone. And it's like a nice, anyways. So you clear it up like that. Clear it up like that. Clockwise, clearing. Back as well. Clearing. It's good to have like go like clockwise and then go counterclockwise, and then you can like just play with the energy so you can really cleanse it. And sometimes like when it comes to cleansing, sometimes you'll feel like if you go slow enough, sometimes you'll feel like a stop, like something stopping it, and that means there's like a blockage in it. Same thing with humans as well. Same thing with humans. Like if you like feel it and then go counterclockwise and you feel like there's like something blocking, that means like you gotta like get in there, you know? It's like stubborn zit or something. So anyways, I like to blow on things just to chew the energy. Now it's cleansed, and same thing, left dominant hand, rest it inside, dominant hand, cup it, and push the energy into it. Imagine visualize safety, security, groundedness, and love, and just being like, feeling safe. That safe feeling. You can even think of a loved one, of when they would how they would hold you, how would they tell you that they love you, they want to like keep you safe. And that's what I do with this one. I just think of him loving me and just like keeping me safe. So that's it, pretty much it. And there you go. Then you have your protection talisman or protection stone protecting you at all times. And if you ever feel like you're getting anxiety or feel scared or anything, or like feel ungrounded, the best thing to do is just like when you're wearing it, just to hold it, feel the energy. It's good to do with your receiving hand to feel the energy. So you feel the energy with your receiving hand and just remember the love, remember it, feel it, and voila. So I hope you find your own little thing you can use and have some protection.